we're going to make a little breakfast sandwich. So I got my cooking oil heating up there. And I got some bacon getting ready to go there. Just 3 little strips. And now I'm getting ready to make the hash brown. For the cooking oil, I just take a potato and a grater. Oh, okay. Hold on, I get it. You get it? And now we're going to go ahead and put some organic pepper on our bacon.
Alana doesn't like the potato.
We're going to leave that for the other side. Quickly rinse off my hands again.
Do I give it to Alana?
Yeah.
Alana.
Yeah, she doesn't like it.
Do I give Alana a treat then?
No, I don't have to. Alright. Had to re-rinse my hands off again. While the cooking oil is heating up and the bacon is cooking. And that we do. Get our potato. Okay. And we'll get this when that gets hot. We're going to make a ball out of this to make our hash brown. See, there we go. Shredded potato. And we got the bacon on the, pepper on the bacon, I should say. And the way we test to see if the oil's hot is I take some of these laying around here and I drop them in. See if they start cooking. If they're starting to cook. So that oil should be hot. They went right to the top. You drop them in, drop the little pieces into the oil, and if they sink to the bottom and stay down, oil's not hot enough. But if they sink to the bottom and start bubbling and come right to the top, then your oil's good. And I move the bacon around in the pan to get the grease all over when I do the eggs. Now the way I do the eggs, take my egg, and my other egg. Okay. And I get my organic sea salt. Add a little. And now we're going to take our eggs and a fork. Because all you need is a fork, you don't need a whisk. How Mama used to do it. So the eggs are going to be ready. Now let's get this hash brown in. make a ball, and set it on in. Hold on. Get yourself a spatula and flatten it. Trickle bacon. Let's get our pepper on the other side of the bacon. Okay. Now we're going to get some toast going. Actually, yeah, we're going to toast it. No, we're just going to use regular bread. No toast. Now we get a slice of bread out, and we're going to put some cheese on it, some shredded cheese. Now put the bacon. Bacon's almost ready. There we go. Flip the hash brown over. And we get our bacon. And put our hot bacon on the cheese. Now let's get our egg in there. The trick is trying to get the egg down to the size of the bread. Turn that off. Turn this one off. And let's get this hash brown out. Okay, you want to come onto the thing. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. Drain it. Put it down on the bread. Give it a little sea salt.
I don't want to keep places. You can get to little house.
There we go. Pull this handle out of the way here.
Good at dying.
And now we get our egg, and we're going to put it, see right now, we got our bread, cheese, we've got bacon, hash brown. Too bad I don't have jalapeno peppers, that'd be great on here. And now the egg, which we're going to do it this way. So there we go. Oh. There we go. Now we got another piece of bread. Put her on top. And there's a perfect breakfast sandwich. Cheese, bacon, hash brown, egg. Good to go. And always make sure our burners are off. And the light's off too. The light keeps going off. And we'll get the rest of this stuff put up. Put this rinsed out. All right, wipe off our hands. Throw this stuff on the floor for the dogs. Piece of potato. They will eat that. Get the bread put back up. Put the cheese back. And that's how you make a good breakfast sandwich. Does not take long at all. You just saw the whole process. There you go. And there it is. Your breakfast sandwich.
And you don't even care.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. There you go.